I am Professor Mohammad Kabir Hassan from the University of New Orleans, United States of America. I am visiting IBA is the first inaugural chair of Hamid Habib Chair in Finance, Institute of Business Administration, and also it happens to be the 70th year of celebration of IBA, 70 years old today. IBA has produced the business leaders in Pakistan and as a corollary to the rest of the world, those who are migrated to different parts of the world. It is the first business school. It was created in Pakistan and it has generated so much alumni base, and I understand it's the first premier business school still now in Pakistan, and I hope it will continue to be the same in another 70 years to come, and with the knowledge and adaptation that is needed in order to create and develop the future business leaders, thought leaders, and change makers in the society. Thank you very much.